Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the annualized return in Excel. This is useful when you know your starting investment, your ending value, and the period of the investment, and you want to find the equivalent yearly return. Step 1. Understand the scenario. Let's say I invested $110,000, and after 5 years, the investment grew to give a total return of 44.73%. This is my final value, and I want to calculate the annualized return. Step 2. Write the formula. Click into the cell where you want the result. Type the following formula. Equals open bracket final amount divided by start. Amount close bracket. Example for our scenario. Equals open bracket C5 divided by B5 close bracket. Next, we raise this to a power. Press Shift +6 on your keyboard to get the correct. Then type 1 divided by number of years. Using our example with 5 years, pause 1 divided by 5. Finally, wrap everything in brackets again and subtract 1 at the end. Pause. C5 divided by B5, or 1 divided by 5. 1 press Enter. You may see a decimal value like 0.076 or similar. Format the cell as percentage to make it easier to read. Adjust decimal places if needed. Step 3. Calculating the number of years between two dates. If you have a start date and an end date instead of a fixed number of years, you can calculate the number of years using the year frac function. Equals year frac open bracket. Start date, comma. End date, close bracket. For example, equals year frac open bracket, B2, comma, C2 close bracket. This will give you the number of years as a decimal, which you can then use in the main annualized return formula. And that's it. You now know how to calculate the annualized return for any investment in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.